This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 4 cups whole milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 2 tablespoon butter, 1 tsp orange blossom water, 1 tsp rose water, and a pinch of salt. Whisk the cornstarch into 1 cup cold milk until perfectly smooth, then set that slurry aside. Lightly butter a 9-inch round pan, then soak the empty pan in cold water so when you pour hot custard in, it begins to cool evenly and sets without cracking. Place the remaining 3 cups of milk and sugar in a saucepan and simmer over medium heat with 2 tablespoon butter. Heat until steaming but not boiling to keep texture smooth. Temper the cornstarch slurry by whisking a ladle of the hot milk into it, then return that mixture slowly back to the pan while stirring constantly for 1 minute to avoid lumps. Continue cooking 2 to 3 minutes more while stirring until the custard thickens and becomes translucent. Then immediately remove from heat to preserve floral aromas. Pour the hot custard into molds or the pre-soaked 9-inch pan, smooth the surface, and press plastic wrap directly on top to prevent a skin from forming. Chill for at least 4 hours until fully set. When ready to serve, unmold onto plates or slice in the pan and top with crushed pistachios, a light drizzle of rose syrup or orange blossom honey, and fresh berries for acidity and color contrast. Store leftover custard in an airtight container for 3 days in the refrigerator or freeze for up to 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.